Hello students, today we'll start a new chapter of class 2, that is counting in groups. So let's count the number of cups here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So total here are 10 cups. But if we have to count in groups, so how will we count? Let's make it one group. 1, 2 and 3. So total, how many groups are there? 3 groups. Now let's count in this group, how many cups are there? 3 plus, in this group, how many cups are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 plus, how many cups are in this group? 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's add it. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 4, 10. So the total number of cups are 10. Let's move on to the next example. Here are some glasses. Let's count the number of glasses here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So here are 12 number of glasses. But we have to count in groups. So how will we count? Let's make it one group. This is second group and the third group. Now let's count. In one group there are 3 cups plus in second group here are 4 glasses plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 5 glasses in the third group. Let's count. 3 plus 4, 7, 7 plus 5, 12. So the total number of glasses here are 12. Then next we have to count the number of pair of shoes here. So one pair is equals to 2 shoes. One pair is equals to 2. So this is one pair, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's count in group. This is one group, this is second group and this is third group. So in one group, 1, 2, 3, 3 pairs. In second group, 1, 2 plus in third group, 1, 2, 3. So let's count. 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 3, 8. So how many pairs are there? So there are 8 pairs of shoes. Now look for some more examples. Now first count the number of groups. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So here are total 4 number of groups. Multiply by 1, 2. Here are, let's count the number of objects in each group. 1, 2, then again 1, 2. Then in this group also 1, 2 ice creams are here and this fourth group also 2 ice creams are here. So in each group there are 2 objects are here, or you can say 2 ice creams are here. So 4 2s are, it's 8. So we'll write 8 here. So in addition we were doing, if the number of groups are same and number of items are different, so we'll do addition in that. But in multiplication, if the numbers of group are different and the number of objects in the group are same, then we'll do multiplication. So here number of groups are 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 and number of objects in each group 2, 2. So we'll multiply it by 2, that is 4 2s are 8. Let's move on for the next example. So first count the number of groups. 1, 2, 3. So here number of groups are 3 multiply by, let's see how many number of objects in each group. In this first group here are 1, 2, 3, 3 glasses. In the second group 1, 2, 3, again 3 glasses, and in third group 1, 2, 3, 3 glasses. In each group same number of glasses are there, that is 3. So we'll multiply it by 3. So 3 groups and in each group there are 3 glasses. So 3, 3 and 3, that is 3 multiplied by 3. 3 3s are, that is 9. Let's move on to the next example. Here are some bangles. This is one group, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Let's count the number of bangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In one group there are 5 bangles. And in this one, let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Second group also is having 5 bangles. In this group, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 bangles. In this one also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 bangles. In this one 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in each group, here are 5 bangles in each group. So what will we do? First, number of groups 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Multiply by number of objects in that group or number of bangles in that group. So in each group there are 5 bangles. So we'll multiply it by 5. That is 5, 5 is 25. So we'll write 25 here. Now here are some more examples. Let's count for the number of groups here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many groups are here? 5. So we'll write 5 here, multiply by, let's see how the number of objects in each group. 1, 2, 3. So in this group, 3 items are here. In this group, 1, 2, 3, 3. In this group, 3. In this group, also 3. In this group also, 3 objects are here. Now, total 5 groups are here, and in each group there are 5 items. That is, 3 items. That is 5 multiplied by 3 is equals to 15. Let's check our answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So total number of objects are 15. Let's move on to the next example. Here are some matchsticks. Let's count the number of groups here. 1, 2, 3. So number of groups are 3. Multiply by, let's count the number of matchsticks in each group. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So each group is having 10 matchsticks. So what will we do? We'll multiply, that is 3 groups multiply by the number of objects in each group. So 3 into 10, that is 30. Next example, let's count the number of groups here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the number of groups are 6. Multiply by, in each group here are 10 matchsticks. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So in each group here are 10 matchsticks. So 6 groups multiply the number of objects in each group. That is 6 multiplied by 10, that is 60. Thanks for watching.